baby. We in Boston. Beautiful city right here. What a beautiful plane, huh? John, did you love that?
Dude, amazing.
Hyper growth, babe. Guarantee this is what's going on. These guys are all digital. They want to depend on the algorithm. They want to depend on the special calculation.
How many like this idea? I got an idea, I don't produce anything, and I turn it into money. Dude, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful thing. I need to provide some kind of service, some kind of product. Okay? Since these guys have met me, and by the way, they were at one of our events. They were at our boot camp event that we did in Miami. They did 4,500 tickets to this event. Okay? Give them a big hand for putting this together. That's a lot of tickets, man. And the one thing that we teach them at that boot camp is, look, add traditional sales to your digital. Add traditional sales. Add a phone call to the digital. Add follow-up to the digital. You don't want people? You want to do this thing on your own? You want to be like, I'm a solopreneur. I'm going to be all by myself. I'm going to do this from my desk. You ain't going to make the Forbes list without an office. Okay? You will not survive in this e-commerce community, if you will, the network. You will not survive as a one person. This is enticing to you. I'm going to come in here, I'm going to do this by myself, I'm going to pick up 8 or 10 grand. You will be out of business in the future. You have to build a business. You need to scale your business. You need to advertise yourself. Okay? This isn't about $1 to $1. You got to take risk. If you look up entrepreneur in the dictionary, it says someone that takes their money and puts that money at risk in order to get more money. This is not about reducing your risk. It's about, I'm going to spend $4 to make $1. I'll spend $4. I don't have to have a $4 return. Right? Man, Grant, I'll go out of business like that. You might. Which means you need more money. Everybody agree? I need to make more money. By the way, those dollars that I'm spending, that $4 that I'm spending, whose money is that anyway? This money in my pocket right here. This money in my pocket, whose money is this? Whose is it? Is it yours, sir? Maybe it's yours. I don't know where it came from. Anybody ever bought anything from me? It might be his. He gave me some money. What'd you buy from me? He bought the 10X book. What'd you get? Sell or be sold, okay? Anybody else get anything else from me? What'd you get from me? Cardone University, okay? Like, we have 80 products. I have over 80 different products. I don't know what you bought from me. I don't even know whose money this is. The money that you guys have. If you want to grow your business, the first 20 years that I built my business, I kept it small because I thought small. I thought there was one way rather than every way. My goal with my company is to reach 8 billion people. It's not to make money. I know I'm going to make money. If I meet 8 billion people, I'm going to make a shitload of money. Everybody agree? The trick is not the money, the trick is the people. This money is somebody else's. I'm holding on to it until I give it to somebody else. Thanks for having me today. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Shoot it. It's on lock, dude. I never put my machine on lock. Just one. I wish, give it up for that man. Great Cardone.